once again. We left just before lunch yesterday and had an awesome first night. We just camped in the bush. We had a wild camp. Yeah, we're on the way to chapter 4 of our travels over the last 8 years. This is going to be more of a road, or sorry, not road, but land-based chapter of our travels. Sorry to those of you that only watch for the boating. There's going to be no boating. Well, we're going to go nutshell. We're going to nutshell in a couple of days to clean her up, ready for sale, but otherwise there's no boating. But there's lots of other things. We're heading off to India. We've got we've got 5 months up in the Kimberley coming up. Then off to India for a road trip across from east coast to west coast. And then we've got a trip in a motorhome from up to the Arctic Circle in the winter. There's all sorts of stuff coming up. And then we want to go through the old Eastern Bloc countries. Sort of do an iron wall type tour down through those countries. So there's heaps coming up, guys. We're pretty excited. And it's my birthday today. So yeah, stay tuned.
We're just sort of getting ourselves sorted because we packed in quite a hurry.
We did.
But this is one of the most important things when you're travelling in the middle of nowhere. What do you reckon?
Go have your coffee machine.
And what's powering the coffee machine, Dal?
The old Blue Eddy.
Which we are going to tell you about one day.
Yeah, it's an awesome thing.
Love it. It's come to our aid so many times for so many different applications.
Coffee, darling?
I'd love a coffee, Dal.
One shot or two?
I'll have a double shot, flat white, please, with skinny flat white with 1 sugar, thanks.
Mount Isa, our son-in-law was born here. Yeah, it's the silver mine at Mount Isa. And we're just about to continue on the last little stretch in Queensland.
This is our camp spot last night. Another one Magnus found. Well, actually I think I found this one. It's beautiful, loads of bird life. But Magnus just went to fly the Neo. We're trying to think of a name. We keep coming up with funny little names like Nat.
The drone.
Oh, the drone. Okay, it's called the drone.
Oh no, I don't know what a Neo is.
Oh, I thought you called it the drone. Very creative.
I am creative.
Yeah, this is it. I think we've shown it to you.
Yeah.
Cutie. Call it Cutie. Cutie pie.
That's me.
Anyway, so flying and all these hawks appeared really close, like 3 of them within a couple of minutes. So little Neo's come down for safety.
Yep.
Right, we're heading to Camberwell. How do you say that?
Camberwell.
Camberwell. And
yeah, how it's spelled, Camberwell.
Camberwell.
Right, any trucks, buses, elephants? Oh, we'll be saying that soon.
Go forward a bit more.
We'll be seeing if there's elephants coming soon in India.
All clear. Do you like that? I remembered the all clear.
Yeah.
Uh-oh, got runaway egg. Uh-oh, breakfast is on the floor.
Still droning.
Made it to the Northern Territory. Woohoo! And look at the bins. You know you're there because they change colour from red to purple. Not much out there. Magnus is loving the new drone. Oh, I'm coming out.
$1.89.
Woohoo!
It's 4,000 a couple of days ago.
Yeah. Made it to Tipperary waters. Let's go and see what Nutshell looks like.
After 16 months.
16 months, yeah. We're going to give her a bit of a clean up. Then she's going on the market.
Yeah.
Finally, the decision has been made.
Yeah.
Hello, baby.
Ready for the reveal.
I think we did this once before, didn't we?
Yeah.
It's like a deja vu moment. Is she going to be mouldy?
Doesn't smell mouldy. Oh yeah, there's a fair bit there. There's no water over the floorboards.
That's good.
Oh yeah, she smells a bit mouldy.
Does she?
Doesn't look too bad though. No,
What about the cushions and stuff?
fine.
Oh, good. So just a bit of a clean up then?
Yeah,
And a bit of airing.
yeah.
Cool, cool.
Alright, it's now just after 1. We've finished cleaning Nutty up and there was no mould. Like, there's a tiny bit by the door entrance, but there was just no mould. There was nothing to really clean up. So we just emptied the last of the stuff off her, took some photos and a video, and she's now officially for sale. So we'll make a video of her, and yeah, we're just leaving Darwin now. We only got here this morning and we're leaving already. So pretty mixed of feelings. For a little while there we were sitting on Nutshell going, no, let's not sell her, let's keep her, and then half an hour later we said, no, let's sell her, and then half an hour later we go, no, let's keep her. But no, we made the decision. We can't have it 2 boats in a life. See you guys.
You stopped to have a coffee and a sandwich?
Yeah, with our coffee maker in the back of the car. So I'm just going to get some wood because we're going to have fire tonight. So it's a nice bit of dry wood up here. Get chainsaw out and chop him up.
Just for us, look at that. Perfect. This one's a bit better. A bit chunkier.
Yeah.
We're out camping with our son, and he disappeared off into the bush and came back with a load of chopped up firewood.
Who did?
Didn't hear a thing. It was all done with an electric chainsaw.
Yeah.
So
I copied.
we went and got one. Love them. Rechargeable electric chainsaw. The bomb. That's how you do it. Done. Lovely big ones too. There we go. Oh, it's going to get a trim. Very tidy. We've got this lovely carrier on the back. come to the Durack Homestead, which has been rebuilt from all of its parts when they dammed the area and put it under the water.
Can't see any bower.
Yes, in there.
Oh, there.
It's a bit messy. You must have left it. Here we are at the Kimberley Land Caravan Park in Kununurra. It's set on this beautiful billabong and these houseboats go out. It's pretty. Got here yesterday and then we're off to do a tour of the Lake Argyle, which is one of our familiars for the tour season, for our tour guiding jobs which we're doing for the next 5 months in the Kimberley. Find out what these are.
Just leaving our overnight camp spot and heading back out through the paddocks. What do you think of this spot, Wen?
Oh, it's stunning. Beautiful, very private. It's lovely, it's quiet. You get to hear all the bird life and the mustering in the morning.
Yeah, choppers are everywhere.
Beautiful private billabong. Yeah, it's really, really pleasant.
Oops, sorry.
Yeah, enjoyed that one.
Right.
And a shower and toilet.
We're on our way to Broome. So just on this little road, for a couple of k's, back out on the bitumen, down to the Great Northern Highway, and off to Broome. See you later, guys. Righto.
Yep.
Great. What are we doing? First day.
First day as tour guides. We're
First day, the new job as tour guides.
Yeah, we're guests. We're in training. Yeah. Cool.
Exciting. See you guys.
Yeah.